Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an error E93 and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it? So first of all, the E93, unfortunately this isn't like an easy error like a drain error or a water intake error or the filter error or something like that. The E93 error is an electrical anomaly on the control board, which means you might need a new control board. Or it might be something to do with the wiring going to the control board or something like that. So it's not localized, it's not an easy thing for just a homeowner to fix. You're probably going to need to have a technician take a look at it. But before you do that, before you call the technician, this error, like a lot of these electronic errors, act kind of like computers that get weird errors, and the only thing you need to do to get your computer working again is to restart it. So if you do a hard restart on your washing machine, it'll clear this out and this error out, and it might not come back. And to do the hard restart, all you need to do is turn your washing machine off and then disconnect it from power completely, either by unplugging it at the wall or turning it off at the breaker, leaving it off for a full minute, then reconnect power, turn it on. The error will be cleared out and hopefully it won't come back. Again, if it does at that point, you're probably going to need to call a repairman. Anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.